Hello guys, welcome to another episode of this training. Today we are going to do some practical using Adobe Photoshop CC 2022 edition, which is basically what I'm going to use. The interface might be different from yours, but not to panic. The tools will remain in same place. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to remove background image from picture before we start using them or working with them in our designs. So you click on your Adobe Photoshop to open. Once you click, give it a few seconds. That's very fast. So here is our Adobe Photoshop. Mind you, make sure you have your picture available. I've already downloaded my picture, the picture I'm going to use for this design. So what we are going to do is we are going to open that particular picture in this in Adobe Photoshop. So you click on open file here, or you go to file, click open. The shortcut on your keyboard is Ctrl O. So this is the picture I want us to remove the background. So you click on the picture, select and click open. Now that the picture is fully loaded, what we are going to do is we introduce you basically to the tools we are going to need to remove this picture. We will do our main introduction to Photoshop in our next training. Now the first thing is, this is our Adobe Photoshop interface. What you see here, this is our move tool. It helps you move an object or an item from one position to another. Right now we cannot move this picture because it is locked. So what we'll do is you come to this layer here, look at this lock key, click on it just once to unlock. The lock has disappeared, so now you can move this picture. Can you see? You can move from one position to another. Then here is our polygonal lasso tool. Here is our quick selection tool. These are the tools, the two tools we are going to work with today. So the first thing is you select your quick selection tool, because we want to do it very fast and not waste time. Select your quick selection tool. So you come back to your picture. Mind you, you are removing the background, so you are going to select the background. Now, I have selected my quick selection tool. Look at the radius here. We have 200. I mostly use 200. You can reduce it to 100. You can increase it to the ratio that works better for you. So I'm leaving it on 200. Here is how to remove the background picture. Now, we want to remove the background itself. So you click and drag along the path you want to remove. You can see I'm very easy on it, so it doesn't enter the picture. So you click and drag on the other side. You go slowly so it doesn't enter the picture. And if it does, I'll show you how to fix that. As you can see, it entered our picture here. So I'm going to zoom. Yeah. Now, what we do is we are going to use the second tool I talked about, which is the polygonal lasso tool. Select polygonal lasso tool. Now, looking at this tool right now, you see that there is a plus sign underneath it. So what you do is you change it to minus, because we are subtracting the part of the picture that it entered, that it cut to itself. So you hold the Alt key on your keyboard, automatically to change to a minus sign. This is it. So now we are subtracting here. So what you do is you hold your Alt key on the keyboard, click any point from inside, then you cut or mark along the edge of the picture that you want to set right. Yes, it's as easy as that. You mark, then you come back to the starting point. That sign would automatically change to a 0, which means it's the starting point. You click. So this is how to select the background of an image. So to remove this picture, the next thing you do is you right click on the background itself. Right click, click feather. Now what this feather does is to give the edge of the picture a smooth edge, so it won't be so sharp like a knife. So because the quality of this picture is good, I'm going to use 1.5. I can also use 1. It depends on the quality of the picture. If the quality is the best from digital camera, I can use as much as 2.5 or 3. And if the quality is so bad, maybe taken by a camera or sent to you via WhatsApp, and the quality is so bad, you can use 0.5, 0.3 or thereabout. So you click OK. Now, you won't see the effect until you remove this background. To remove this background, there are two options. You can press delete on your keyboard. Automatically the background is removed. I will undo, which is Ctrl Z. Now the other option is you right click on the background, click on layer via cut. So now look at the layer here. There are 2 layers now. It was 1 before, now there are 2. Undo, which is Ctrl Z. Now layer via cut. Now the first layer is the background without the image. Look closely here. The second layer is the image without the background. We don't need the first layer, so you select it and press delete on your keyboard. You can see it's as easy as that. This is how to remove a background image. Mind you, you have to save it first. Go to File, Save As, give it any name you like. Make sure you are saving it as a PNG file. Yes, a PNG file save images without background. They retain that effect of no background. If you save as JPEG, it will give it a white background automatically. Click Save. So that's how to remove image. Okay, remove background from image using Adobe Photoshop. Now the second method I'm going to show you is a quick one. You will need internet access for that. So for Adobe Photoshop, you don't need internet access. Just open your software, follow this procedure, and then you are done. It's as easy as that. So I'm going to close Adobe Photoshop, then open my browser. Let's go to the tool I wanted to use is remove. Just go to remove.bg. Remove.bg. Let it load. This is how the tool is. So I'm going to look for an image. You can upload an image here. So I have an image saved on my system, so I'm going to upload it. Click on Upload Image. Look for the folder. I want to remove the background of this image, so select it. Click OK. And let the software do its magic. 3 to 5 seconds, the background is removed. Then you click on Save or Download. Yes. It's as easy as that. Now, the other method is you can remove the background of an image that you didn't save to your system. You can copy the link directly. Now, let's look for Smart Man. Now, where is this guy? Okay, look at him here. So I'm going to open his picture. Then I will copy the link, right click on the picture, copy image address, go back to remove background. Now what you do here is you click here, paste URL, right click in the URL dialog box, paste, click OK and let it load. It will load in few seconds. Do its magic again, remove the background, then you click on download. Yes, save. So it's as easy as that. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, and if you encounter any challenge, don't hesitate to get back to me. Thank you guys.